Hello everyone, Chef Eric here, and welcome back to the YouTube channel for yet another amazing recipe. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more amazing content. And today we're going to be making these absolutely delicious pancakes / crepes, the Kenyan style, the way everyone likes them, and I'm sure you're gonna love them. So we're gonna start in a large bowl with some all-purpose flour and baking powder, just a little bit. I'll leave the full recipe down in the description box below so that you can quickly screenshot that and just go as you cook. The recipe is in cups like zile vikombe vya chai. That's basically how it's measured, so feel free. So and then we're gonna combine all of our wets. So here we have water, we have milk, we have eggs, and we also have some oil. So here milk and water are usually the water is substituting a bit of the milk because milk is a bit pricey and most pancake recipes are really high in milk, and really no one can afford that during these times. So to your all-purpose flour, you wanna add in your lemon zest, and you could also add in your sugar at this stage, but I personally just forgot and ended up adding in later on. So once you have added all of those ingredients, you're gonna slowly start to stream in your wet mixture, which is your milk, the water, the oil, and your eggs. And you also want to keep mixing just until you form a super velvety smooth batter. It will be super thick at first, but once you've added all of the ingredients in, trust me, it'll look super silky and delicious. You might be resistant to the fact that it's very liquidy, but trust me, it'll produce the best result. They'll be soft, they'll have slight crisp edges, and they'll be absolutely delicious. And the level of sugar that you can add to this recipe is completely variable. I suggest you just do 2-3 tablespoons, because once you get to 4, 5, 6, it just gets a little bit too sweet. And for flavorings, you could do the lemon zest, vanilla, cinnamon, any citrus you have in mind. Just anything would go perfectly well. And you can substitute a bit of the flour with cocoa powder to make them chocolate crepes. Once your batter is nice and looking super silky and smooth, you can now start to fry them up. So in a large pan, we're gonna start by brushing on a little bit of oil. I personally like to brush the oil on so that I kind of like prevent having too much oil in the pan. So once you use the tissue paper, it's kind of just kidogo oil just so it doesn't stick. And you also added oil into the batter, so the chance of it sticking is extremely low. Cook it on one side, give it a flip, and then cook it on the other side, fold it up into quarters and set aside, and repeat with the rest of your pancakes. Once you're done with all of your pancakes, you just want to serve them on a large plate along with some chocolate sauce or some honey. Chocolate sauce, I just mix chocolate and cream. And thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more amazing content every single week.